This is a flip-up helmet and the part in front of the chin was removed by me. Now let's see how to install the FreedConn R3 onto the helmet. First, let's open up the lining on the two sides, and you could find the headphone slots on both sides. If it cannot be opened up, then take it all off directly. It will be more convenient to stick the speakers. The first step is to install the base onto the left side of the helmet, same as other motorcycle Bluetooth headset. It can only be installed on the left side because we could only use the left hand to operate the headset while riding. There is a tool inside here. Use it to loosen the screws on the base. This one is 3 meters spaced. It is so easy to stick it up with this one. Tear off the backing and stick on the left side of the helmet. I am not going to explain further about this. After the bottom segment is disassembled, let's find a proper position to install it. Then fit this piece into the slit of it. Then the other half aligns with the screw hole and fits it well. Then tighten up the screws. Make sure it won't fall off after tightening. Do not tighten it up now and push it inwards to reach the tightest position. That is, until it cannot be moved anymore. Then tighten it up now the base is installed. It is rotatable. Now let's install this high-res certified earphone D7. Make it clear that only the products with this label are the high-res certified headsets. This has become standard equipped in R3. There are a long and a short earphones. The short one is installed on the same side of the host device. That's the left side. And in the helmet I'm presenting, it is made of lint. This is the hook side. It can be sucked up on the top and stick on it. It is very firm, and you don't need the stickers for the earphones. If the inside of the earphones is foamy, you need to tear it down and stick it to this area. And this long one can usually be dragged open from the back, and this wire goes from the back of the helmet. Then stick it on this side, also where there is a guideline in the earphone slot. Then buckle it back at the meantime. The wire needs to be hidden at the back of it. It's best to take this. That's the wire that goes from the position at the back of the head. And press it down here to conceal it. As this is an open face helmet, it would be good to use this type of hard microphone because of the hard microphone. Because if you do, I'll explain to you how to use the hard microphone first. After sticking it up at this area, put the position adjustable microphone beside the mouth. Then you can make a voice call or answer a call. All is capable including intercom. If it is a soft microphone, we need to stick it too. If it is a revealed helmet, use this to lift it up, so it is inconvenient to stick on this side. If the wire is long enough, but doesn't look good, there is no such problem in a full ace helmet. You can just use this type of soft microphone and stick it in the front, and this will have a better look. But for open-aced helmets, we still suggest using this hard microphone in this area, and it's best to stick it at this position. That is where the microphone could just reach your mouth. If it is too long, it won't look good anyway. It varies from person to person. It depends on what you think. Then just stick it up. Next, put the linings back. The one on the right can be installed back directly. The right one is done. Then let's install the left one. Pay attention to the installation of the left one, as the plug must be uncovered to plug in the host device. So we take the wire inside this and plug in properly. Make it invisible, just like this. Just like this for the time being, because after you finish this, you may still need some adjustments. You plug this in like this. You might need to tuck down along this. That is to stick in this wire down there. Then let's try this length. The host device from the top to the bottom. Just slide down and check if the wire is long enough. That would be okay. And buckle back the lining just like the very beginning. Then pay attention at this time because the host device is rotatable. The length of the wire could remain short like this one of mine. I'll adjust a little later. Just pull outwards. This could guarantee the earphones can be rotated from the front to the back. It is long enough. Then it is okay. However, In normal riding, I am usually used to. I will not rotate backwards if I use this headset, just normally. It varies with each person. Sorry about that. I forgot to install the earphone. Just plug in the wire. Plug in the earphone and hide the wires inside here. Then tear off this one and stick it here. Then just put it here. Then it is installed. When the installation is done, let's focus especially on this port here. The port here. One problem is that many people plug in for the first time, probably without aligning well. Then it will feel especially difficult and push it so hard that the port could be broken easily. Why? Because our design is that the product is waterproof. It has such a wide section because there is a waterproof rubber plug. It is very deep. When we plug it in at ordinary times, just slightly put it here. Move to the left and right. Align properly, and as long as it is flat, you can plug it in with one hand. If you find it especially difficult, then please don't plug it in by force. You must have not yet aligned properly. You must pay attention to that. You can contact me anytime when there is any quality problem afterwards. Our host device is lifetime warranted and including any problems you meet afterwards. You may also contact me anytime. I'll put one on to show to everyone. Hurry up if you have not yet placed an order.